Top 7. Best Karambits. Farming fields in Indonesia, spread throughout Southeast Asia via trade, became a weapon for revolution. Number 7. Crestgolf Stainless Steel. They are quite the diversified company. They have over 162 products offered, from golf clubs to hammocks and even armband bags. Although the majority of their products are sports related, this knife is not something to be ignored. This knife is quite light at only 4 ounces. The plastic handle is very comfortable. The sheath actually covers all of the blade. Number 6. Unbrand MTech 7 3x4 Black. Intimidating even. The knife looks like a talon of a large eagle, and its sheath is practical and wonderful to look at. The black theme adds more charm to its mysterious aura, just for its aesthetics alone. This is one for the books. This knife is on the larger side. Immensely good for fast strikes. I cannot emphasize this enough. Number 5. Snake Eye Tactical Folding. This is one that you should definitely not miss. This is another masterfully crafted karambit in the market. Snake Eye Tactical is a big player in the knives and hunting and fishing categories, so the quality is to be expected. What I did not expect though was the amazing handle. This knife is on the shorter side. Available in the market today. This one is a folding knife. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Karambits or simply click below the video description link. FishFindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. FadeCase Karambit Classic. This is a full Tang karambit, meaning that it is one piece of blade with the handle constructed on it. That gives it not only great gripping comfort, but also immense durability and strength. You'll never have to worry about the blade separating from the handle. The 420 stainless steel used extremely well thanks to the extra weight. Comes with a high quality sheath. Number 3. Swampland Karambit. And blade are immensely eye-catching. The handle is also crafted really well. It is. The blade is fixed, meaning that even newcomers can safely use it. A free camping whistle is also included in this package. They do not need to offer alternative options. Definitely our favorite model. The handle is also pleasing to look at. Sturdy and comfortable to grip. Number 2. SEHawkbill Full Tang Karambit. Slicing is done by pulling or pushing through the curved blade, allowing the knife to have a wider range while at the same time providing accuracy for slicing or cutting. This karambit is an example of a Hawkbill knife, and is immensely sought after due to its utility and beauty. The blade is full Tang. The blade is immensely durable. The grip is amazing on this knife. Number 1. Vulcan Gear Tacticals. They are based in Hong Kong and have quite a lineup of products, ranging from katanas, knives, and crusader swords to camping gear and military clothing. While Vulcan Gear has a lot of products to offer, their Hawkbill is by far their best. The blade is made of stainless steel. This knife can tear up ropes. The handle is not only beautiful. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Karambits or simply click below the video description link. FishFindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.